Hello from PlotSet. Let's create split bars. To begin, go to your panel and hit the New Chart button. In the Template section, select Split Bars. As always, the first thing you should do is insert your data. I have my data in a CSV file, so I click here to upload my file. My data has been taken from a survey done in 17 advanced economies, which means the categories will be based on countries. I'd like to display the flags for each country. I have inserted the links for the pictures. The column for them is column B, so I go ahead and write B in the images field. As a result, the column for my dataset starts from C, so I write C here instead of B. And voila! As you can see, the chart is now drawn for me, and I can start customizing it. This is the panel providing you with customizable options. You should choose a title for your chart. Remember that the title you write here will only be visible to you. You may also change the dimensions of the chart to find the size you are more comfortable with. In the color section, you can change the background and the color of the bars. For the bars, you may choose among the color palettes we provided or customize it with the hex code you chose. As for the header, choose where you want the header to appear. Enter the title you have in mind and customize the font, size, and color. The same process goes for the subtitle. In the number formatter section, assign the percentage sign in the suffix field as the numbers have been written in percentage. As you can see, the numbers are now displayed in percentage. Time to customize the y-axis. The margin here adds a space between the flags and the bars. I'd like to flip the data points so that they appear from the highest to the lowest. You may customize the labels by changing the font size and color. In the bars section, you can add a border to the bars so that they seem more distinctive than the rest of the plot. Of course, you can change the opacity and color of this border. I'd like to display backgrounds for each bar. Note that if you like, you can add borders to the backgrounds as well. Here is where you can customize the labels over the bars. Decide how you orient them, where to place them, and what color you want them to be. You can change their font, size, and color as well. I want the legends in the center. You may also decide whether you like them on the top or bottom. I'd like to add more space between the legends and the plotting area. Increasing the padding will add more space to the legends so that they stand apart from each other more. You can change the font size and color. You also have the ability to change the swatches to your liking, increasing or decreasing the height or width, or giving their corners more or less radius. Anything you want. The tooltip is also fully customizable. You may change the alignment, font size, or color. Strokes add a border to the tooltip, making it more distinctive. Sticky lines are also good options to boost data points' readability. You may also change the background if you wish. Now that I'm done creating my chart, I can obtain and export from the final design in either PNG, SVG, or JPG format. Before obtaining an export, once again you are able to change the dimensions of the chart. You can also share the link to your chart with someone else, embed the final design on a website, or share it on social media. Thank you for watching PlotSet.